Hey guys, welcome to my channel. Today I'm gonna share with you how I make my peanut sauce at home with this celery, 3 medium-sized tomato, onion, ginger, garlic, 1.5 cup of peanut. I use this little onion because I didn't have enough onion at home. Usually I use half onion for this recipe. You also need meat. You can use meat, chicken, fish, whatever you prefer. For this recipe, I'm using pork meat. It's boiling nicely, cooking nicely on the stove. Next, I'm gonna blend the ingredients together. You blend the celery, ginger, garlic first. Then you add in the tomatoes for easy blending. You don't want to over blend your tomatoes. Next, I'm gonna fry the peanuts. Fry nicely. Don't over fry your peanuts. My peanut is ready. I'm gonna pour some vegetable oil into the pot. And I will add in the spices, tomato, ginger, garlic, celery. As you can see, I didn't over blend the tomatoes. I will let it cook for 5 minutes until the water is completely dry. While waiting, I'm gonna blend the peanuts. I blend my peanut with water because I don't have the other type of blender. The ingredients are all dry, no more water. So I'm gonna add in the stock. I'm gonna add in the stock and the meat into the pot. This is pork meat. I added 1.5 teaspoons of salt and 2 seasoning cubes. Stir. Next, I'm gonna add in the peanut. I added a little bit of water. You don't want your sauce to be too thick, so you have to add water. I added more water and I will let it cook for 15 minutes. Fifteen minutes later, it's almost done. I'm gonna add in celery leaves. I added the leaves for the flavor. My sauce is done. It's done. You have to check if it's not too thick or too watery. If it's too thick, you add more water. But mine is good to go. So I'm gonna get some rice for my kids. It looks yummy. This is for my kids. We're gonna eat